Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abbas. In case you do not know me, I'm a lifestyle influencer, which means that I make videos about everything and I frankly don't give a f about a niche. If you didn't know, I am the absolute worst at cooking. I literally can barely keep myself alive. Shout out to Postmates to have kept me alive for this long. And I do a series on this channel where I attempt to cook viral recipes. Right now, this girl has a hold on the internet, a chokehold. Her name is Emily Marico. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. She has made the classic salmon bowl trendy. We're gonna watch the TikTok together so you guys can see what I'm talking about in case you haven't seen it. Okay, aesthetic kitchen. She's using leftover salmon. It kind of looks like cat food after she like mashes it up. Okay, the ice cube thing, I don't understand. Oh my God, this is going way too fast. I don't know how you guys follow these recipes. Like, I need personal guidance whenever I'm trying to attempt to cook. Okay. I don't know why I stopped talking. Okay, so she's adding kimchi and avocado. I don't have kimchi or avocado, but I have everything else. Okay, she looks so happy. Like, I need to try this salmon rice. I don't know. Okay, to me, this just looks like deconstructed sushi. Am I wrong? I got the specific mayo she uses. It's called Kewpie mayo. Also, why is this kind of sticky? It's called Kewpie mayo. There's a little baby on it. Honestly, pretty excited to try this mayo. Ooh, not that. It has a really good squish. I love it. We also got, oh no. Well, yes, I think this is, okay, so we have some type of sushi paper. I think it's fine. I just think this is for like the rolls. Hopefully I can just like rip it into like little pieces. Okay, so this is from my understanding of how to make this. Step one, salmon. Second, you cook the rice and then you put the salmon in a bowl, use a fork, kind of flake it up, make it look like cat food. And then you're gonna put the warm rice on top of it. It already sounds delightful. Then you're gonna go in with the soy sauce. You're gonna go in with the Kewpie mayo. This is very important to this recipe. This is literally the star ingredient. And you need some sriracha, which I already had some. Some little sushi paper so you can grab and eat like a little taco. I think that's about it. I hope I'm not missing any steps. Like, I don't know. Might I add, I finally got this pan for myself. I literally threw away all my pans. Hopefully this wasn't like an Instagram ad scam. It said that like you could use this pan for literally everything. So here's to hoping. Look at these cozy vibes here. All right, I think I'm gonna do 4 minutes on each side. Also, what a sad looking piece of salmon here. Hello, I have returned. The kitchen is not burnt down and we have the salmon in the bowl. So she kind of just flakes it up. So I'm just gonna, why does this look so bad? Ew, looks like cat food. Not this. While I have your attention, we have something very important to talk about. Mr. Beast and Mr. Mark Rober wanted me to tell you this. So our oceans are filled with trash and plastic, and it is unacceptable. Us creators have decided to upload today to tell you guys about this amazing charity. And no, this is not a hashtag ad. This is just doing something good for the environment. The trash in the ocean has created a health crisis for the whole world. Our mission today is to raise a small amount of $30 million. But between all the creators posting today, I think we could do it, baby. So 100% of the proceeds go to the Ocean Cleanup and the Ocean Conservancy. I will link down the information in my bio so you guys can go check it out. Times like this make me really excited to be an influencer and a creator because I would love to use my platform for good. And you know, we gotta save the ocean. But anyways, let's continue trying this little viral recipe here. I think that's flaky enough. I don't know. What do you guys think? It literally looks like barf. I will say I am hungry. I am very hungry. I feel like she was just like, just showing what she regularly eats and became a trend. It's so crazy how the internet works sometimes. Okay, so this looks good. And I honestly didn't expect it to turn out well because it's microwave rice. Looks kind of weird, but let me fluff up the rice because it looked kind of bad. Why does this look unappetizing? Let's start with the soy sauce first. Did I break it? Okay. We're gonna just kind of wing it. Oh shit, that was a lot. That was like the 2 shots of vodka, lady. Let's do the mayo. I'm so excited for the mayo. Look, it has a star opening. Okay, everyone, watch this. Ooh, it looks sexy. To me. Okay. Oh, did that just happen? I hate it here. I literally just got this sweater too. We're gonna add some, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna add a lot of sriracha because I heard it makes it taste really good. I'm sorry, this looks like a toddler made it. It might hit, it might hit. I'm being too judgmental on myself. I'm gonna take a little picture of it because, you know, I'm a creator. It literally looks like a hot dog. Now mix it. Okay, you guys, we're gonna finally try it. It's flaking off. I wanted little chips. I mean, I guess I could rip my own. This looks reasonable. Look at that. Are you ready? Oh wow. I really like it. It tastes like a really satisfying sushi roll. Oh, this is gonna sound so weird, but you know when you order a salmon roll and then when you're like chewing it, it all really comes together? I was gonna say they chewed it for you, but that sounds disgusting. It feels fully realized. Emily, you go, girl. All right, besties. What are your Halloween plans this year? Comment down below, let me know. I was invited to a few parties. I don't know what I'll end up doing. I feel like Halloween is always so random for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this little extra video. Hope it keeps you going through your week. Thank you so much to Mr. Beast, Mr. Mark Rober, and of course, teamseas.org. And with every dollar you donate, they will eliminate 1 pound of trash from the ocean. How iconic is that? As always, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. We are growing very rapidly. We are a strong little army here, and I appreciate each and every one of you little angels. And I hope you guys can feel my love through the screen because I'm sending it. You feel it? You feel it? Sending it to you. Bye.